Here I'm going to demonstrate a C program where I will use loop in three different ways. Let's consider I declared a variable I in a C program and I initialize I with 4 and I want to run a loop until the value of I is less than or equal to 10. Then want to print the value of I and increase the value of I by 2 in each step. And let's consider I do not have any code in this program. So I only have this, I do not have this code. I commented the other codes. So if I run this code, then the value of initial value of I was 4. So it will print 4 initially. The condition is true because 4 is less than or equal to 10. When I increase the value of I by 2, that means it will become 6. It will again the condition is true. It will print 6. Then 8, condition is true. It will print 8. Then 10, condition is true. It will print 10. Then 12. In the when I is 12, condition is false. Then it will exit from this loop. So this is the way how a loop works in a C program. So we have three parts. This is called initialization. This is called the condition of the loop. And this is called the increment of the loop. I can increment it by 1 also. Then in that case, in every step, I will increment by 1. I can also increment by 3 and also choose any initialization value based on our requirement. And in that way, the loop will implement itself. So to check in some other way, there is another method which is print new line print will only separate the output from this section to this section. Again, I initializing the value I is equal to 4. And now just move this condition to the end. So in the first run, that will not check any kind of condition, but after running each iteration, it will check the condition. So if I run this, so it will print the output for this input. So if I keep the same input here, initial value is 4, and if I keep the increment is 2, then the statement will produce the exactly same output. So this is just a variation of this loop to this one. Now, if here is another formula is shown, I again separating the output by a new line and just wrote all the initialization, condition check, and increment in the same line within the 4, and then thus did the what to do in the loop. So if I run this, so the output is exactly same. So in this way, here the three versions of the same thing, the while loop. This is called the do while loop. This is called the for loop. So in this way, we can repeat a code in our program using various loop of our choice. Thank you for watching this video so far.